What if the future of SUVs is not coming tomorrow, but is already here? What if one car could rewrite everything we thought we knew about power and design? Today, we're taking the first look at the 2026 Nissan Rogue Hybrid, the next-gen SUV redefining expectations. But wait, what you're about to see will challenge every belief you have about hybrid performance. From the very first glance, the 2026 Rogue Hybrid makes a statement. Bold lines, sculpted aerodynamics, and a confident road stance that feels futuristic yet familiar. It looks powerful even before the engine starts. But wait until you discover how each exterior curve is engineered for efficiency and control. Coming next, the details will surprise you. The aggressive grille, the sharper LED signature lights, the floating roof, and widened rear form a stronger, more athletic posture. The wheels alone hint at power and elegance working together. Every inch feels intentional. But wait, the real shock isn't outside. The moment you step inside, your perception of SUVs might never be the same again. Open the door and the mood instantly shifts. Soft lighting, premium textures, and modern technology welcome you like a luxury lounge rather than a family SUV. It feels quiet, calm, and sophisticated, almost futuristic. But wait until we reveal the hidden features that turn this cabin into a personal sanctuary for every drive. Don't miss what's next. A fully digital cockpit, a massive infotainment display, wireless connectivity, voice commands, heated and ventilated seats, a panoramic roof, and premium stitching, every detail is designed to impress. And if you love SUVs, don't miss what's coming next. Hit subscribe so you won't miss it. But wait, because the power story under the hood is even more exciting. Beneath the refined exterior lies a new hybrid system built for both power and efficiency. Smarter energy management, smoother acceleration, and improved fuel savings all come standard. The engine works with the electric motor seamlessly. But wait, coming next is the moment that matters most: how all that power actually feels on the road. Acceleration is instant. Torque arrives without hesitation. The Rogue Hybrid corners with confidence, stays quiet at speed, and adapts effortlessly between city streets and long highway drives. It's responsive, calm, and efficient. But stay tuned, because the price and market reveal might be the biggest shock in this entire video. How much will innovation like this cost? Nissan plans aggressive pricing to disrupt the hybrid SUV competition, giving buyers more value than rivals in its class. If that surprises you, stay tuned, because the real shock is coming next. The Rogue Hybrid may take a position in markets no one expected. The Rogue has evolved through the years, from a simple family SUV to a tech-focused, efficiency-driven hybrid for modern lifestyles. Each generation learned, adapted, and refined. This 2026 version represents its biggest leap yet. But don't miss the final moment, because what this car symbolizes goes far beyond numbers and features. If this is what the future of SUVs looks like, we're ready for it. The 2026 Nissan Rogue Hybrid proves that efficiency, power, and luxury can exist together. If you love SUVs, don't miss what's coming next. Hit subscribe so you won't miss it. Thank you for watching, and remember, this is only the beginning of the next generation of driving.